Welcome to the ultimate guide to window curtains. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about window curtains, from choosing the right fabric and style to proper installation techniques. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color to your space or enhance privacy, window curtains are a versatile and practical solution for any home decor. Join us as we explore different types of window curtains, such as sheer, blackout, and thermal varieties, and learn how to measure your windows for the perfect fit. We'll also provide tips on caring for your curtains to ensure they stay looking fresh and beautiful for years to come. Don't miss out on this comprehensive guide to window curtains, your go-to resource for all things window treatment related. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on home decor and design. So let's go. Enhance the ambience of your living space with these elegant voile sheer window curtains, designed to infuse your room with sophistication and airy charm. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, these curtains are the perfect fusion of style and functionality. Measuring an impressive 120 inches in length, these curtains offer a luxurious drape that gracefully pulls onto your floor, adding a touch of grandeur to any room. With a width of 40 inches per panel and a set containing 2 panels, totaling 80 inches in width, these curtains provide ample coverage for standard-sized windows, allowing natural light to gently filter through while maintaining privacy. The translucent fabric delicately diffuses sunlight, casting a soft, ethereal glow that creates a welcoming atmosphere in your living room or bedroom. The sheer texture adds depth to your decor, complementing a variety of interior styles from modern to traditional. Constructed with a rod pocket design, these curtains effortlessly slide onto any standard curtain rod, facilitating easy installation and giving your windows a polished finish. The crisp white hue exudes a timeless elegance, effortlessly blending with existing color schemes and decor motifs. Crafted from high-quality materials, these curtains are durable and easy to maintain, ensuring long-lasting beauty for years to come. Whether you're looking to refresh your living space or add a finishing touch to your bedroom retreat, these voile sheer window curtains are the epitome of refined luxury and understated glamour. Elevate your home decor with these exquisite curtains and indulge in the tranquil ambience they create, transforming your space into a sanctuary of style and serenity. Experience the allure of sheer elegance with every gentle breeze and sun-kissed moment, courtesy of these exquisite window treatments. So, whether you're looking to add a pop of color, create a cozy atmosphere, or simply update your space, window curtains are the way to go. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe.